The Peruvian economy is growing rapidly, boosted by the opening of its market. The process of market liberalization is offering many opportunities to small and medium-sized enterprises that wish to export. SMEs, however, face difficulties when trying to access foreign markets. They may lack the necessary knowledge and financial means. They may not meet foreign regulatory requirements, or may produce products in quantities or qualities that are not adequate for foreign buyers. These problems can be overcome through cooperation among SMEs. By combining their knowledge, financial resources, and contacts within an export consortium, SMEs can improve their export potential and reduce the risks involved in penetrating foreign markets. An export consortium is a voluntary alliance of firms with the objective of promoting the export of goods and services of its members through joint actions at reduced cost and risk. Consortia provide different services to their members, such as organisation of participation at fairs, market research, elaboration of a commercial strategy, negotiations with service providers such as banks and transporters, among others, and they can also organise joint training and joint quality certification programs.
One of the major responsibilities of the Ministry of Production is improving the country's productive supply. There are many limitations. One of them is the problem of the economy of scale. If we want to be able to compete, if we want our small and medium-sized enterprises to develop within the local market, or if we want them to export, cooperation among them is necessary. And it is crucial that the Ministry promotes cooperation among firms, whether it is for generating economies of scale, or for reducing the costs of the procurement of raw materials, or those of consultancy services in the area of design, or for carrying out joint export activities, etc. All of this fits perfectly in, since it allows increasing the competitiveness of the productive supply of the country and its ability to connect to markets, as I said before, both for the domestic and external markets.
The United Nations Industrial Development Organization is assisting the Peruvian public and private sector to implement an Export Consortia program. The program, which is financed by the Italian Development Corporation, has been carried out since 2006, jointly with the Ministry of Production, the Lima Chamber of Commerce, the Ministry of Foreign Trade and Tourism, Prom Peru, and the Association of Peruvian Exporters. The project's main activities include supporting the creation of export consortia in different sectors, training of local export consortia promoters in the public and private sectors, introducing a scheme of financial incentives for the creation and support of the promotional activities of export consortia, and sharing international best practices, including the organisation of meetings between experts from different countries.
Since 2006, the year in which the Export Consortia program started, 6 training workshops for Export Consortia promoters have been organized in 8 regions. 250 professionals have been trained. Through these trainings, various proposals for establishing export consortia have been formulated, and we now have 28 consortia functioning in 8 regions of the country and in 8 different economic sectors, in those fields that are labor-intensive, with a growth potential which can contribute to the development of the regions. The most important key of success of this program has been the establishment of a public-private partnership and the alignment of the program with the overall national export strategy, as well as with regional development plans.
Peruvian Bioconsortia was established 1 year ago, based on the idea of joining efforts to export natural products such as maca, cat's claw and yacon in different shapes. In order to form this consortium, 5 companies of the sector, all with international quality certifications, were grouped together with UNIDO support to achieve synergies in exporting through joint actions. The consortium seeks to consolidate its export supply through strategic partners located in international markets that share its vision of preserving the environment by respecting the principles and criteria of biotrade. Each of the companies has different product lines, ranging from industrial ingredients to articles for final consumption.
Our first achievement has been finding potential markets for our companies, something that has been done basically through market research studies. This activity helped us to identify buyers for the Peruvian products and to have in this way a clear idea of the fairs at which we wanted to participate. We decided to participate in BioFact in Germany, in Expo East in the United States, and in local fairs such as Bio Peru Diverso. The goal of the consortium is to expand its promotional and export activities, but we also have in mind the possibility of increasing the number of members so that we can attain a better presence in the marketplace and a better exportable offer of our national products.